This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we're going to be talking about the variety of different sugar decorations that are available for some of your projects. Whether they're cake pops, cupcakes, cookies, or cakes, these work on all of them. There's a few types of sugar that you'll find. One that's called sanding sugar, and you can see it's got the size of a grain of about, regular white table sugar. It's usually colored in a variety of colors. It also, of course, comes in white, and it's coated in a confectioner's glaze or a carnauba wax glaze, And that gives it just a little bit of sparkle, so it's kind of a fine sparkle effect. There's also what's called sparkling sugar and sometimes coarse sparkling sugar. These are going to have bigger granules, that you can see, that give it a more reflective property and a larger size grain. So you can use these two things to your advantage to get different effects while just using some sugar. It also comes in a variety of colors and metallics, and you can see this one is gold. If you're using these on a very wet or loose icing, so say a really runny royal icing or something like stabilized whipped cream, just note that the color isn't necessarily going to be stable on the outside. So if it's a really wet frosting, there could be some bleeding. And if it's something like a cookie where you're covering the whole surface, that's not going to matter. But if it's something you're sprinkling, say, on top of a cupcake, it might bleed a little bit. So it's just something to keep in mind. As far as the other sugar decorations, you have a couple of things that get called sprinkles, kind of generically. There's the round ones that are Nonpareils, come in a variety of colors as well, always a fun topping for cupcakes, and the oblong ones that are called Jimmies. These also come in a variety of colors, and you can get things like the shimmery pearl effect, silver, gold metallics in both of them as well. The last thing would be quins. Quins are just a flat pressed sugar decoration, and these ones are confetti quins, and it's a multicolored one, but they also come in a variety of shapes. So they're a great thing to blend in with your Jimmies and Nonpareils if you're looking to make a custom sprinkle mix, because you can buy them with designs for a variety of holidays, events. They come in all shapes and a variety of different sizes, so they'll have small and large ones as well. And they're a nice touch if you're looking for something extra special and personalized. And these cover some of the different sugar decorations we use in our little cake treats. If you liked this video and you'd like to check out more, please follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in learning cake decorating, you can check us out on www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information in our yearly membership. And if you like these products, you can check out the links in the description.